Hi, welcome to my slideshow of pictures that I took at the Johnson Space Center in Houston, Texas. I've been there only this one time. This is kind of representative of what a lot of the facility looked like. This is the capsule from one of the Mercury flights, but I don't remember which one. This is from one of the Gemini flights, but again, I don't remember which flight. As we can see from the sign, this is the command module from Apollo 17. This is the bottom of that command module. And this is looking through the hatch into that command module. This is a mock-up of the lunar module. And here again, a mock-up of the lunar module. And this is a lower view of that, and you can see the astronaut there in one of the vehicles that they took to the moon on some of the missions. And here we have some moon rocks in laboratory setting. This is that same area. They had some mock-ups of the space shuttle there. When I was there, it was almost exactly 2 years since the first space shuttle flight. And this they had set up to show some of the things in the space lab that flew on some of the shuttle missions. I don't recall what these engines were for. These are rocket engines, except for the big one at the end. That's the F1 engine from the Saturn V that took the astronauts to the moon. But unfortunately, I don't recall what the other ones were from. And this is the bottom of the Saturn V. You can see, obviously, the 5 F1 engines there. This is that same rocket there they had laying on the side where you could see between the stages. And obviously the first one here in the foreground is the first stage. And this is between the first stage, which is on the right, and the second stage, which occupies most of the picture. I think it's really mind-boggling, all the plumbing and wiring that there is there. And here, moving closer to the top, we have the second stage showing just a little bit on the right, and most of the picture is of the third stage. And this is the top of the rocket, and in the biggest part of that is where they stowed the lunar module until they were ready to take it out. And then there's the service module and the command module, and then the escape tower at the very top. And this is looking at that same rocket from the top towards the bottom of it. Well, that concludes my slideshow. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.